everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to log into Candy Crush Saga with Facebook. In order to log into Candy Crush Saga using your Facebook account, first of all, download and open the Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Soon after you end up in the homepage of Candy Crush Saga, tap on Retrieve My Progress. Now you will see this kind of an interface where you need to tap on the Continue With option under Sign Up with Email. Soon after you tap on the drop-down, you will see Continue with Facebook or Continue with Apple option. Simply tap on Continue with Facebook button and tap on the Continue button one more time. Follow through the prompts and sign in with your Facebook account's credentials. Tap the Continue button to end up in Facebook.com website and follow through the sign-in process. If you've previously logged into your same device on a Facebook app, then you can simply tap on this little open button and you will then be able to see this interface where you need to allow access for Candy Crush Saga to connect to Facebook by tapping on Continue button at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to connect Candy Crush Saga with your Facebook account. But remember that if you haven't previously logged in on the same device, you will need to enter your Facebook account's email address and password. And that way you can easily sign in to Candy Crush Saga with Facebook in just a couple of steps. Just make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and if you are not able to log in, make sure to check your Facebook account if it is active and that you are using the correct credentials. And that's it. That's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Candy Crush Saga tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.